Hey everyone, welcome back. In this hands-on video, I'll show you how to restart Windows Explorer on your PC. Restarting Windows Explorer can help you fix issues like a frozen taskbar, missing icons, or unresponsive Windows. That said, let's get started. So first up, you have to press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape keys at once on your keyboard. With the help of this pretty handy keyboard shortcut, you'll be able to instantly launch Task Manager on your PC. And once the Task Manager is open, ensure you are on the Processes tab in the left sidebar. And then you have to scroll down the list until you find Windows Explorer. Alternatively, you could also use the search bar to quickly find the Windows Explorer. And then you have to right-click on Windows Explorer and the menu will appear. From the options, select Restart. Your screen may briefly flash or go blank for a moment, but don't worry, this is normal. Windows Explorer will reload and everything should be back to normal, and that's about it. Restarting Windows Explorer is a quick and simple way to resolve minor system glitches without needing to restart your entire PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to watch more such handy Windows tips and tricks. And I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.